What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Well, it's gonna be a vlog. We're going to Miami. Just landed in Miami. All right. Waiting on my Lyft driver because Lyft is cheaper than Uber in Miami. Guess where I'm about to go? I'm about to get me a nice massage. I've been wanting me a massage for a long time. It's just I'm always busy and when I'm in Lafayette, so I tend to forget about it. So since I'm here, before I do some business, I'm gonna give me a nice hour massage. All right, I got my massage. It was great. I even took a nap. Took me a nice about 2.5 hour nap. I was running on 3 hours of sleep. I was tired as hell. Let me give you a little tour of the room real quick. I can take a little look at it. I'm gonna start with the bathroom. When I go out of town and stuff, I look at the bathrooms and stuff to look at the colors that they put together, because it gives me good ideas for when I do like rehabs for my rentals and stuff. So I definitely steal ideas. My shirt kind of wrinkled. Like I said, I just woke up from a nap. This is my first time staying in a hotel like this. It's called like a loft type of thing. I could see I was right there. My boy Adidas coming. Waiting on him. But I'm here. Let me put the light on real quick. What am I talking about? So, the reason why I came to Miami. I came to see Big Business, Greg Parker. See kind of information he have. He usually have great content on Instagram, and I like it. He inspiration. The stuff he doing, I want to do basically like the same thing. Like he working on 30 or 40 houses right now at one time. He have his systems together and all that, so I want to just see how he has all his processes and systems, so maybe hopefully one day I can do it too. And the way he have it structured is amazing. So of course he's over his whole empire. I think his sister owns the construction company which works on all his houses. His wife is the financing lady, like she has her own financing company. I also think he has a sister that's a property manager. I think he have another sister that's just like the real estate expert. I guess she's a real estate agent or something. So that's crazy that all the money is staying in the family. And I love that. So I would like to do that. If it's not in the family, good friends. So the money keeps flowing inside the family. Keep on buying, and the empire gets bigger. And everybody building wealth together. We all get rich. So that really inspired me. So we're gonna check it out. Hey, we might be cousins, baby. Parker blood. We might be cousins, you never know. But y'all stay tuned. I'm about to go get me something to eat. I'm in the hotel lobby about to get me a drink. This is the best looking hotel lobby I've ever seen. I'll show you how it look real quick. Right when you enter in, Apple computers, front desk, restaurant, little chair, you got pool, you got a bar over there, they have games on that table, little kitchen you can pick out of drinks, people, pretty cool. What's up when I wait to the event?
What's going on?
This is the man that told me about it. Introduce yourself a little bit.
Adidas Kirkland, investing in Lake Charles, Louisiana. We out here trying to get a little more information about the game.
Me and Adidas met April last year?
April, yeah.
And we was talking, you know a lot of people hit you up, but they don't be serious. This man was serious. And then we went to see Ramon.
Hit the flow running, baby.
Yeah, so
hit the ground
when
running.
we met, tell us about the deal you was about to buy when we first met.
Oh, a real bad deal. No equity in it.
What made it bad?
It needed some work, and I just ain't have enough equity in it to cover the costs, repair costs. So I would have been losing all the way around.
So when you started, and you started April 2018?
April 2018.
So what you got now? What's your profile? What's your portfolio looking like?
Four houses, but I don't rent the houses. I rent the rooms. So 4 houses at 11 doors currently, at 100% occupied right now.
Now you got 5 houses.
5.
Did you just
yeah,
buy
we're working on one. Working on one now.
Yeah. So the difference between him and y'all is he took action. He not just talking about it.
Action taker, baby.
And how much? You making a pretty good profit off of it.
Yeah.
About what, 7 grand?
92 right now.
Off of 4 houses.
92 a month.
Alright. Damn. So action taker. So take some action, people.
We at the U, baby.
See, we get so caught up with this though, we don't know how to operate. What you do good, do that. What you do good, do that. There's a bunch of teams in here, but you know what? And I always say this. Black people don't trust each other, so we can't even put the team together. And we gotta understand, team is everything. Team means together each achieve more. That's what team means, and that's teamwork make the dream work. But we don't trust each other. We trust Bank of America. Be a white man with a suit on. Oh man, what you need? You can have everything. We sign grandma house over to the white man with that. No disrespect to them. I ain't hating on them, but I'm just talking about the mentality that we had. Let Greg show up in them Adidas sweatpants. What? No, I ain't. No, you scam. Scam you for what? Like for what? I'm like 10 blocks away from you. You could do something to me if I rob you or something. Like, why would I scam you? You don't know what Bill did that. He'd disappear. Hey, you signed the paperwork. We gotta really start looking at it. We gotta look at the large picture. We gotta start tapping into that large picture and start realizing we got the world in our pocket. And it's cool to say, I don't know. I don't know. And when we talk about dreams in our community, we gotta start dreaming big. See, one thing about them babies that I love, they still have their imagination because they haven't been hit with the experience of life. See, the experience of life will kill your dreams. See, I'll be 40 in a couple months, but I'm telling you, I operate like I'm 17, man. You understand? Some of y'all don't know my story. I went to the penitentiary when I was 17, came out 37. I did 20 years in the penitentiary for 2 armed robberies, 2 firearm violations. Before that, I did 5 years in the juvenile system. I've been in the system my whole life. February 18th this year, it'll be the first time in the history of my life I've been in the streets probably for 2 years as an adult. Now let me explain something to you. I used to walk that penitentiary yard and I used to talk that talk, walk that walk. I used to be in there with all type of dudes, kingpins. Like, yeah, man, you had that car back and I'm driving Lamborghinis, you know. My mind was always big. I always dreamed big no matter my situation. I always believed. Like, we keep thinking about, no, it's bigger than the one house. When I'm over there, I was out there in the balcony looking at that big construction going on. I said, yeah, we gonna be tapping into some shit like that. So I was gonna tell Greg about that. Damn, how could you? Like, that's how I'm always thinking. But us, we don't think like that. We think because we ain't got the complexion for the connection, we can't make it happen, but we build pyramids with no cranes.
One more time.
We build pyramids with no cranes, but we think, oh no, we can't be building that stuff over there. We can't put a trust together and everybody come here, put the 10s, the 20s, the 100 grand together and make it happen. That's how we think. We keep thinking small. You know what I'm saying? Don't just buy the Chanel bag. How can we get some stock and some ownership in Chanel? That's where we got to start. And stop being traumatized by the look, because the look is the hook. Everything that look good, we just want to subscribe to it so quick. You dig what I'm saying? That's street game. The look is the hook. I mean, that was the street game. Y'all getting finessed every day on Instagram. You got sisters going crazy, pulling their hair out because they think they ain't winning. I always talk about this. I always got to tap into this. Oh, man, I'm doing, things ain't going right for me, Wallo. I got my boutique on. I got this and it's just not working. I'm running up the bills and all these girls doing this. She front. She ain't really selling that. She ain't really got a bit. That's the boy. Dope boy, she messing with financing that lifestyle, baby. Stop getting lost to the lifestyle. You dig what I'm saying?
Somebody finance.
Stop, yeah, but she ain't. Stop looking at everybody's life and start looking at yourself. We don't tap into ourselves so much. We don't believe in ourselves. You dig what I'm saying? We never believe in ourselves. We believe in everybody else. Y'all look to Cardi B, y'all look to all these other people and believe it. Cardi B won because she was authentic and she didn't give a fuck. She understand rule number 1. F what they think. Sorry, babies. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all care too much about everybody. I came out of penitentiary, I ain't had nothing. I'm sleeping in my grandma's little room on a twin-size bed that remind me of my cell bed. Looking at the mics playing at nighttime, talking to them. You're not getting none of this fried rice. It's not gonna happen. And it was one I named Keisha because she had a little purple streak like on her head. I knew that. I don't know if it was a hairdresser in the walls or something. That's none of my business. She wasn't getting none of this. For 30 days straight, I went and got that platter for $5. I ain't had nothing, but I said, you know what? Nanny, I ain't going back to the penitentiary. I know I'm a king. When they used to strip me in them cells, have me shackled to that bed because I used to get them police that problem, and I used to try to fight for the men. No, you're not doing that, man. You understand? You violating the rules of conduct. Come on. See how? People, who you think you is? Well, I'm whoever. They come in my cell, strip me, cut me to the bed. I'm sitting on the bed. They got the door open. I'm like this. People walking by. I'm like, all right, I ain't gonna stop. I knew I was a king, even under slave conditions. Y'all ain't under slave conditions, and y'all thinking that y'all slaves. Get up out of that mindset. Stop being weak. Know that you can do anything. You out here, you woke up this morning, you winning. You'll still find a reason to complain. We always looking for a reason to complain. We always looking for a reason to give up. We always looking for a reason to call a timeout. When you gonna start looking for a reason to take it to the next level and say, yeah, I want this lifestyle. I don't care what you want to drive. You want to drive the Benz, you want to drive the I don't care what you want to drive. Go get it. Put your hustle down and go get it. This is your life. But make sure.
You gotta carry, you gotta buy you some remote. Got the food trucks out here. One of the campus of Miami University.
Got back to the hotel from the Greg event. What you thought about it?
Oh, it was real good. A lot of helpful information. We're really excited, pumped up, ready to shove some money and invest. Ready to sign some papers, baby.
We're about to make some money. Man, be sure to go check out Greg event if he come in a city near you or take a flight to a different place.
Greg Parker, big business.
They doing some big business for real. But we enjoyed our time, had a lot of fun. And y'all stay tuned.
The airport, about to head back to Louisiana. Get back home. It was a great trip, strictly business. I was only here for one night. I am tired. I slept 2.5 hours last night, and the night before that I slept like 4 hours, three hours. So I'm running on about 6 hours of sleep in the last, 48 hours. So I'm extremely tired, and I'll talk to you back when I get at the house.